Hey everyone, I've had a big couple of days, so I thought I'd check what flower essences I needed. And because they were boab and fringed violet, I thought other people might be going through similar energy at the moment, so I thought I'd throw it out there and sort of see what shows up. So the two that showed up were boab and fringed violet. Boab is for family trauma, and it can be in laws as well as blood relatives, as well as genetic family trauma. Where people have expectations of you and you have been holding on to those expectations and you no longer feel like that is in your best interest to be allowing other people to dictate your life. And fringed violet is for old trauma, damages that are stuck in the aura, stuck in our meridians, stuck in our organs of our body, and genetically it's holding us back. So it's holding back us from being able to move forward. It's holding us back from being able to clear our energy and move on. It gets stuck in these the neurotransmitters just keep releasing for trauma days, months, years after something has happened. And people get stuck. And this is when they get stuck in a dialogue and you hear them talking and you think, hang on, I've heard this discussion before. And they haven't moved on from it. So for me, when fringed violet comes up, when fringed violet shows up, it's always something about something where I'm in a loop. So for me, it's always about me because, hey, this is about me, but, it might be about you as well. So that would be fabulous. So run that little central meridian. So when I was having a look at affirmations, it was mainly about releasing energetic attachments. So just going to do all sorts of energetic attachment energies. I release any and all negative energy, allowing me to regain my power and freedom. Pain punishment circuit. I release all negative energy, allowing me to regain my power and freedom. Okay, I no longer feel indebted to my family. I no longer feel indebted to my family. I no longer feel indebted to my family. For me, there's a wanting to run away from family there. I no longer feel indebted to my family. Okay. I release all energetic cords coming from loved ones. I release all energetic cords coming from loved ones. I release all energetic cords coming from loved ones.